Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. To this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide files from GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there is a file that is called gitignore and that we will be needing to add it to our repository so we can start hiding files. So basically, let's first go to any repository, and from here we will have this same repo, or we can work with any repo. So let's just go here, and this is my new folder, and this is my code here. Since I have this repo here, so let's just go here. I have my code.txt. Now in your project, you will be needing just to add another uh, file, which called .gitignore. So we need just to name it uh, dot get ignore, and from here we need just to open it, and I'm just need to open it with a text. So I'm just going to open with notepad, and let's add some Python. So I will just add the hello.py, and this is a file that I want to ignore. So here I'm just going to save, and basically I'm going to add my project or my file, which is hello, and it is .py, and now I have it in my changes. So I'm going to open uh, my GitHub desktop. So I will just use GitHub desktop in my case. You can use the regular files. So here I want to be in the new folder. Uh, this is the hello world, and I added my project. And here, as you can see, it will be hidden. No new line end of this. So I'm just going to commit to main, and basically, as you can see, my added file wasn't in my changes, and I'm just going to push to origin, and as you can see I have already created a hello.py, and now it is fetching to origin. And let's go to our origin and we will refresh, and here we will find the get ignore, but the hello.py didn't being pushed. And basically that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.